Hi students, good morning. Now we see class 10 English first flight MCQ questions chapter 1 A letter to God with answers. What did Lencho hope for? Option A good shower of rain for his crab. B a new motorcycle. C a tractor. D none of the above. Correct. The answer is A. Good shower of rain for his crab. Question number 2. Why was Lincho satisfied? A. On seeing a new tractor in his field. B. On seeing new buffalo. C. On seeing the field of ripe corn with flowers. D. None of the above. Correct. The answer is C. On seeing the field ripe corn with flowers. Why did Lincho need money? A. To buy a tractor. B. To save his family from hunger. C. To buy a new phone. D. To buy a buffalo. Correct. The answer is to serve his family from hunger. Question number 4. What did the postmaster do then? A. He decided to collect the money and send it to Lincho. B. He threw away the letter. C. He decided to beat Lincho to teach him a lesson. D. He gave it to the postmaster. Correct. The answer is A. He decided to collect the money and send it to Lincho. Who reads a letter sent by Lincho? A. His wife. B. The postmaster. C. One of the farmer. D. The god. Correct. The answer is B. The postmaster. Who is the author of the lesson? A Letter to God. A. G.L. Futis. B. J.K. Rowling. C. William Shakespeare. D. Ronald Dahl. Correct. The answer is A. G.L. Futis. What is the irony in this lesson? A. Lincho was sad after the hailstorm even though he was the one waiting for the shower. B. Postmaster laughed at Lincho but still helped arrange money for him. C. Lincho blamed the post office employees who in fact helped him. D. There is no irony. Correct. The answer is C. Lincho blamed the post office employees who in fact helped him. What did Lincho think of the post office employees? A. Bunch of crooks. B. Rude. C. Unhelpful. D. Proud. Correct answer is bunch of crooks. Why was Lincho not surprised on seeing the money in the envelope? A. He was too sad to acknowledge it. B. He had unwavering faith in God. C. He was an ungrateful man. D. None of the above. Correct. The answer is B. He had unwavering faith in God. How much money was the postmaster able to arrange? A. 10 pesos. B. Nil. C. 1000 pesos. D. 70 pesos. Correct. The answer is D. 70 pesos. Why did the postmaster decide to reply to Lincho's letter? A. He was a good man. B. He felt empathetic. C. To preserve Lynch's faith in God. D. All of the above. Correct. The answer is C. To preserve Lincho's faith in God. postmaster was a fat and ambial man. What is the meaning of ambial? A. Rude. B. Helpful. C. Friendly. D. Enthusiastic. Ambial mean. Correct. C. Friendly. How much money did Lincho ask for? A. 100 pesos. B. 1000 pesos. C. 10 pesos. D. 500 pesos. Correct. The answer is A. 100 pesos. What was the only hope left in the hearts of Lincho's family? A. Compensation from government. B. Help from farmers association. C. Help from God. D. There was no hope left. Correct. The answer is C. Help from God. The field looked as if it were covered in A. Salt. B. Locusts. C. Sugar. D. Ice. Correct. The answer is A. Salt. Which crab was growing on Lincho's field? A. Corn. B. Barley. C. Rice. D. None of the above. Correct. The answer is corn. A. Where did Lincho expect the downpour to come from? A. North. B. Northeast. C. Northwest. D. Southeast. Correct. The answer is B. Northeast. Where was Lincho's house situated? A. Bottom of the hill. B. Top of the hill. C. Top of a plateau. D. In a city. Correct. The answer is B. Top of the hill. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. All the very best for your exam.